So right now I am about to mow, which probably could have been done like 3 days ago, but it was Sunday 3 days ago, and I try not to do much work on the Sabbath. Anyways, so yeah, mowing's pretty relaxing for me, so I'm kind of excited to get it done. Plus I love I think that's like a bug flew in my mouth. Whew. That must mean I'm talking too much. Real quick, I like how the yard looks after it's mowed. So this will be a successful thing tonight, hopefully. Anyways, I'll show you a few bits of that. And then I told Joseph if I have much energy left that maybe I will do some landscaping or gardening. I'm thinking I'm at least gonna just there must have been a black bug or something. I'd at least water the flowers in the garden because it needs it, and it's been pretty hot. It did rain though Sunday night, so I wonder if you guys got rain at all. We're in the middle of Nebraska. We got about a little more than an inch, which is really good, especially because Joseph just got the corn in the ground, so praise God, that will definitely help that. Anyways, got on the mower, drove it over to where I'm about to start, and then Joseph showed me that it needed gas, which I probably should have checked earlier, and then he also showed me that it has a flat tire. So here in a minute we will be going on take number 2 for mowing the yard. So if you guys watched my video on taking down the goat fence, this will look kind of similar, except we're putting it up. Joseph is putting all these electric fence posts up. The way I was taught was that, you know, you have so many steps in between them. I'm not sure how he does it, but as you can tell, he's over there and he's realigning them and kind of trying to space them the same, which is good. So there was one there, there's another one here. We're going to this the corner where, sorry my camera's not focusing, but here's alfalfa here. So this is where I mowed. I mowed 2 paths because we want to keep them out of the alfalfa. But then this grass is for them. So where the paths I mowed are, that's where he's putting the fence so that the grass doesn't touch the wire. And then we're actually just gonna go till about a little further past this post. We'll put a T-post in. You can see my post pounder right there, and then we'll go this way and down to where the barn is. And that will basically this side, usually we do both sides, like one side, like a north side of the barn and the south side of the barn. We're just doing the south side right now so that we can let the cows out, because now that the calf was born, their pen is so muddy, and it's just, the grass is tall enough that we can get them out here. So we're gonna work on that. That way we can still feed, you know, a bale or two that we have left to the goats. And then after we get this side done, we're probably going to sell some goats, and then the ones we have left we will put out on grass. So kind of ready. I personally am ready to just get all the animals out on the pasture, because they like it a lot better when their pens are muddy, because it's, you know, spring, kind of rainy season. It's just not very fun. They don't, especially the goats, they don't like, you know, living in water and mud, and they love grass. So I had to show you guys the belly bump. I'm getting pretty close to seeing, or to meeting baby. Dad put baby and I on the duty of making sure that the fence posts are in a straight line. So we got it pretty easy today. Joseph is cutting down some tree limbs so they don't fall on the fence. That's what I assume anyways. He's smart. I would have never thought of that. Funny what you learn by marrying a farmer. So we have all the electric fence posts up. Now Joseph is going around, and you can see right here maybe, yep. He's going around and pounding the actual T-posts in, and we put those like in the corners of the perimeter and other places that just need more reinforcement so they don't get out. And you can see all these electric fence posts. Beep. So we're about ready to hook the wires up, and Joseph told me for now we're just gonna put one wire up, even though there's 2 insulators. Just gonna put one wire up because the cows will be in here and they usually do fine with one wire. The goats are a totally different story. So we're almost done. So we got the fence up. Joseph did basically all of it, of course. And then we let the cows out, and the little calvie ran straight through it. So Joseph fixed it. It's up and going again, so I guess we'll just wait and see how it works. But the calvies are running around and eating grass, and so we're happy. All right, guys, well, that is all for this video. Thank you for tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you haven't yet, and we will see you next time on Thousand Generation Farms.